You hungry? You've come to the right place. Today we're going to make gluten-free vegan fish sandwiches to die for and homemade tartar sauce to go with it. One cup of gluten-free all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of Himalayan salt, some freshly ground black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm going to give that a quick stir. These are all the dry ingredients, and what we're doing here is making a batter. And to this, I'm going to add my wet ingredients, which is 1 cup of almond milk, and 2 tablespoons of a hot sauce. I'm using cholulas. You want to give this a nice mix until it's the consistency of a pancake batter. And if it's too thick, you can add a little bit of water or more almond milk. And if it's too thin, you can add a little bit more of your flour. You want to cut the cauliflower so that the stem is up and downwards and the patty will hold together. And you'll want to cut them about 1/2 inch thick. Cutting it right down the center of the stem. Now that I have the cauliflower cut open, it's easy to see which angle you have to cut it at. You'll want to cut them in 1/2 inch sections, and that's going to keep the whole cauliflower patty together. We're trying to mimic a fillet of fish. So I've got the oven preheated at 410 degrees. I'm going to take my fillets on over, and then we'll come back and chop our toppings for our sandwiches.
to whip up some tartar sauce for our sandwiches.
For the tartar sauce, you'll need a half a cup of vegan mayo. I'm using Follow Your Heart veganiase. You'll need 2 full tablespoons of relish. Two tablespoons of finely minced red onion. A 1/4 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. Some fresh ground black pepper. Give it a stir. All right. Now let's put these sandwiches together. I'm going to take my tartar sauce and spread it on both sides of the bread. I'm using both gluten-free and vegan bread. I'm going to grab my fillet and just set it right here on the center of my bread. Put a piece of lettuce and some tomato. I've got some heirloom tomatoes here, delicious. And I'm going to top it off with the second slice of bread. The cauliflower takes on such a flaky consistency when being cooked this way, along with the batter, it really does taste like a fish sandwich. A gourmet version, in my opinion. The tomato adds a slight more juiciness to the sandwich, the lettuce a little bit of a crispness, and the tartar sauce, superb. I know you're going to enjoy these sandwiches. Give them a try. It was great, jolly old chap, to see you again. If this sandwich filled your belly and calmed your cravings, like, share, and subscribe.